In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the hex color of an image inside of Canva. So what you need to do once you're in canva.com, you need to first create a design. So click on the create a design. Then what we can do is we can go to custom size and you can go ahead and then choose some dimensions. I'm going to choose 1920 by 1080. And what we'll do is we'll import this image. We can then grab the hex code. So once you've got an open canvas, you can then go to uploads on the left. Then click upload files, and then what you can do, you can go ahead and find your image. So mine is in downloads. I'm going to click on the image, we'll then open it, and then it should upload it to Canva. Now just give it a second, and once it's uploaded, we can drag it on. So we'll go ahead and drag it on to our canvas here. Now we can resize it and make it bigger, and what we'll do now is we'll grab the hex code of a specific color. So let's say, for example, we like the color of the sky. So what you need to do now, just go ahead and click on the background or any other layer. You can then click on the background color icon, then click on the add new color, and that will open up this window where you can choose a color. Now, if you choose from this color picker tool, you can click on it, and then anywhere inside of Canva, you can pick that color. So let's hover over where we want to choose the hex code. So we'll choose about here, we'll click on it. And you can see now we've got this hex code. We can now copy this, and this is the color. We can use this hex code now however we want.